Hi, this is Andrew from DPS here with your 1-minute overview of what you're going to get from a web meeting with me about your remote monitoring. First things first, you only buy tools to solve a problem, and that's exactly what monitoring devices are. They're just tools to solve a problem. I'm really a much better engineer than I am a salesperson, so that's always going to be my focus. As I write about in my book, 100% Uptime, there are 4 primary problems that eat your profits, or depending on your industry, can actually put lives at risk. These are visiting your sites either too frequently or not enough to perform maintenance, expensive equipment damage, service-affecting outages that take you offline, and wasteful power consumption, especially for things like HVAC. If you've experienced these problems firsthand, particularly big, angry, obvious incidents, that's exactly where we'll start our meeting. If you haven't, we'll look for any holes in your monitoring setup before your good luck runs out. We'll also use my meeting worksheet to consider what equipment you need to monitor, what power voltage and mounting is available at your sites, and what alerts you want when things go wrong. Think big knock display versus email versus SMS alerts. So that's what you'll get from a meeting with me. I have a lot of these meetings each and every weekday, and I look forward to meeting with you soon. Just send me an email, sign up on our website, or call the DPS phone number, and we'll put something on the calendar.